My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Sunlight A72. This vehicle has done just under 16,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our living/dining area, which doubles up as 4 belted seats, giving us 6 belted seats in total. Using our ladder, we can access our overcab double bed. Next up is our kitchen area, complete with our stove, sink, oven, and fridge freezer just behind. We also have our extractor fan and light. Next up is our bathroom. Inside we can access our sink and toilet. And we have our rear bunk beds. On our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And on our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, Bluetooth and radio, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.